Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Dish TV set-top box remote not working or responding. Full troubleshooting guide. Fix 1 is check the remote batteries. Remove the old batteries from the remote, then put in two new batteries. Make sure the plus and minus ends are in the correct direction. Press the power button to test the remote. Second one is remove anything blocking the signal. Stand within 10 to 15 feet of the set-top box, then make sure there is no object blocking in front of the box. Clean the front sensor of the set-top box with a soft dry cloth. Point the remote directly at the box and press a few buttons. Third one is restart the Dish TV set-top box. Turn off the set-top box, then unplug the power cable from the wall outlet. Wait for about 30 to 60 seconds. Then plug the power cable back in, then wait for the box to fully restart. Then test the remote. Fourth one is repair the remote. Turn on the Dish TV and set-top box, then keep the remote close to the set-top box. Press and hold the pairing button on required key combination for your remote model. Wait until the pairing indicator appears on the LED stops blinking. Test the remote after pairing is complete. Thanks for watching.